That's a 2008 John Deere tractor. Don't know how old the drill is, but they look in good condition though. Got a press on the front of this tractor. It's a John Deere 7530 with a drill. Don't know how many rows are setting. I can't even see what sort it is. Yeah, like I say, that's a paint tractor. That's a 930, which is 300 horsepower. And we've got a rotor tiger here to show you. Yeah, that's a 2010 year. Yeah, they do another mod with this, but it's only a 4-whirler. That's the Panther, where the 6-whirler is the Tiger. I think that's lifting 8 rows at a time, this one. It's a big Rover Tiger. 6-whirler, as you can see, look. It holds about 20 tonne in that machine. It weighs 50 tonne when it's loaded up. Yeah, the driver, he took me down the field and he brought me back. Good old boy he is. Nice person. I'll tell you what, he's got to work hard. There's no time to waste. We've got our John Deere tractor 6630 and ECE Max Spreader. I'll tell you what, it ain't half windy out here, and that wind is very cold and all. Don't know how much it hold in there, but probably about 12-13 tonne I reckon. Sounds lovely, doesn't it? row machine. It's picking up 6 rows at a time. That's a 1987 year, I think. It's got a small tank on it, that beet machine. It'll probably hold 2 or 3 ton, I reckon. That's only like a little holding tank. We've got a massive Ferguson tractor, 6290. With this little trailer, which I would say again could be 8 to 10 ton, I don't really know, that's what I imagine. We've got a little case tractor, which is a JX80. Probably a little 8-10 ton trailer. It's lovely to see these old machines. Pity there ain't more about. There's several of these tractors and trailers taken away from this machine. I could say there could be round about 6, I reckon. All the tractors are old class, old class, and all the same trailers, the grey 8 tonners. Yeah, the tractor is 2014, this one. He's drilling wheat in here. This is wheat. Here we've got a JCB fast track, which is an 8310. With this drill on the back, which is only a little one. It looked like that's only about a 10-12 row. Nice little outfit. Nice outfit there, isn't it? Yeah, make a change and get something like a JCB in. There's a lot of K's and John Deere out there. It's nice to see something different. Yeah, the Fendt tractor on the harvester, that's 2014 year that is. Yeah, it's all the old spuds storing up for alligator. He's tipping them into the boxes. He's only got one more box and that'll be full. And following the potato harvester is this Fendt 200 horsepower tractor with a topper on the front. He's getting all the old heads off the potatoes. We're near Dereham in Norfolk, just outside Dereham, some little village. Yeah, we've got a Fendt tractor, which is 200 horsepower. That's pulling the potato harvester. And we've got a John Deere tractor here on the trailer. He's got 6 boxes on this trailer. Yeah, that's the potatoes going in there, look. Horsepower on there. Got some lights in the front there. Yeah, I don't know how many rows that's drilling there, but I reckon that's about 20 foot wide at least, easy 20. Good old outfit.